How to get drafts back after deleting TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily get your drafts back after deleting them. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up TikTok and make sure that you're logged in. From here, go over to your profile at the bottom right. And if you have any drafts, it will be available here on the very top of your post saying drafts. If you don't see it, then in that case, you need to tap on the hamburger menu at the top right. Then go to settings and privacy. Scroll down all the way until you find help center. On your help center, you want to scroll down and find the option for drafts. So go over to posts and tap on refresh your feed. If you don't see the draft section, you can directly go over here and tap on the support tickets. All of your existing support tickets will be shown here. If you don't see it, just go back and then tap on submit a report down below. Now it's going to create a ticket for you. Just tell them that I can't see my drafts. Please help me. Just send this, tap on submit, and you should be able to get feedback from them, and you should be able to get your drafts back. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.